In the beautiful community of Anthem, natural light plays a key role in creating warm, inviting, and energy-efficient homes. With the area's abundant sunshine and scenic desert surroundings, homeowners have an incredible opportunity to enhance their interiors by choosing the right window styles. The right windows can transform your living space, making rooms appear larger, more welcoming, and connected to the outdoors. If you're looking to brighten your home while maintaining comfort and style, here are the top window styles for maximizing natural light in Anthem interiors. Picture windows. Panoramic views and maximum sunlight. When it comes to capturing the essence of the Anthem landscape, picture windows are unmatched. These large, fixed panes of glass don't open but offer unobstructed views and flood your interiors with natural light from sunrise to sunset. Picture windows are ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or anywhere you want to showcase the surrounding scenery. They frame views like works of art, allowing light to pour in while keeping your home sealed from drafts and dust. For added comfort, choose energy-efficient glass with low E coatings, which help block UV rays and reduce heat gain, so you can enjoy bright spaces without overheating during Anthem's warmer months. Casement windows. Flexible light and airflow. If you want both sunlight and ventilation, casement windows are a top choice. These windows open outward like doors, letting in fresh air and capturing side breezes that help cool your home naturally. Casement windows work beautifully in kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms, where you want to maximize light and airflow. Their sleek, vertical design also fits well with modern and Mediterranean-style Anthem homes. To balance natural light and privacy, consider pairing casement windows with sheer or motorized shades. This allows you to control how much sunlight enters while maintaining comfort throughout the day. Bay and bow windows. Expanding space and sunlight for homeowners looking to make a bold design statement, bay and bow windows offer both elegance and functionality. Bay windows typically feature a fixed center pane flanked by two operable side windows. Bow windows consist of 4 or more curved glass panels that create a gentle arch. Both styles extend outward from your home, creating a cozy alcove that enhances space and captures sunlight from multiple angles. They're perfect for living rooms, breakfast nooks, or reading corners, where they can turn ordinary walls into light-filled focal points. In Anthem's sunny climate, bay and bow windows help distribute light evenly throughout the room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Sliding windows. Effortless light in modern spaces. Sliding windows are a practical and stylish choice for homeowners who prefer a minimalist design. With wide glass panels that glide horizontally, these windows allow for maximum sunlight and easy ventilation without taking up extra space. They're ideal for living areas, hallways, or long patios, where they connect indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Modern sliding windows also feature narrow frames and larger glass surfaces, ensuring your rooms stay bright and visually open. Plus, when paired with energy-efficient glazing, sliding windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, perfect for Anthem's warm days and cooler evenings. Clear-story windows. Light without sacrificing privacy. For homeowners who want more light without compromising privacy, clear-story windows offer the best of both worlds. These narrow, horizontal windows are installed high on walls, above eye level, to let in sunlight while keeping your living space private. Clear-story windows are especially effective in bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways, where they brighten interiors without the need for curtains or blinds. They also work well in combination with larger window styles, helping balance direct and indirect light throughout your home. In Anthem homes with high ceilings, clear-story windows can add architectural interest while maintaining energy efficiency and visual appeal. Skylights and transom windows. Bringing light from above. If you have limited wall space, skylights and transom windows are excellent alternatives for introducing more daylight. Skylights bring sunlight directly from above, ideal for darker rooms or areas like bathrooms and hallways. Transom windows, installed above doors or larger windows, add elegance while boosting vertical light flow. These designs work beautifully in Anthem homes where natural light is a top priority but privacy and space are still concerns. Final thoughts: maximizing natural light isn't just about aesthetics, it's about improving your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and atmosphere. The right window style can transform your interior from dim to dazzling, allowing you to make the most of Anthem's abundant sunshine. Whether you prefer the panoramic beauty of picture windows, the versatility of casements, or the space-enhancing design of bays and bows, professional window installation ensures you'll enjoy lasting performance and energy savings. With expert guidance and high-quality materials, your new windows will brighten your home, elevate your decor, and connect your living spaces to the vibrant natural light that makes Anthem living truly special.